Can you use baby wipes to clean upholstery? Yes, but only for quick, light spot cleaning on fabrics that are safe with water. Baby wipes are mostly water with mild surfactants and moisturizers, so they can lift fresh spills and surface dirt from water-safe upholstery without heavy effort. Test first in a hidden area to check for colorfastness by dabbing and waiting a few minutes to observe any color change or fabric finish alteration. Use gentle, overlapping strokes and avoid scrubbing, which can push stains deeper or distort fibers. Blot excess moisture with a dry microfiber or cotton cloth immediately after wiping. For textured or woven fabrics, run the wipe along the grain to prevent fiber fuzzing and use a soft bristled brush to reset pile after it dries. For tougher stains such as oil or ink, baby wipes will not remove the stain and may spread it, so switch to a manufacturer-recommended cleaner or consult a professional cleaner. Always allow the area to air dry fully and then vacuum to lift any residue and restore texture. Common mistakes include using baby wipes on solvent-only or dry clean-only fabrics, which can cause dye transfer or fabric weakening. So check the upholstery care tag and avoid wipes if only a letter is present or the tag forbids water. Another error is over-wetting the area, which can leave rings or attract dirt later. The fix is to use minimal pressure and blot immediately with an absorbent cloth. People also assume baby wipes remove set-in stains. For those, we recommend stopping and using a dedicated upholstery cleaner or calling a professional to prevent permanent damage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where we can share experiences about quick cleaning hacks and repair tips. Our discussion community lets us exchange real-world advice and ask questions before hiring. And we help contractors find work by putting their profiles and project photos where homeowners can see them.